8 fabulous home chefs from Home Chefs Matters 2.0. Check out the Godrej Nature's Basket store at Worli and have a lot of fun doing so. Go watch.
Catch a bomb near the fish section. I think this is our favorite place. So I'll pick up a ravas. Back home we would use vetki, but this fish is very close to the taste of ravas because it's boneless and takes on the flavor of what we cook. It's a great fish to work with actually. Very fleshy, no bones, just a center bone. It's a great one. And you can make fillets also, and you can do a curry cut and use it in your curry as well. So mustard bhetki, what I make with mustard ravas will also taste very good. And we also have all the North Indian delicacies like a tikka or anything fried. An awesome fish to work with.
Grown up in the hills, I'm really fond of eating plums, apples and strawberries. So I'm definitely going to pick some amazing strawberries today. And then I'm also looking for some nice quality of apples. So let's see if I can find some nice apples for myself. I can see some nice plums here. So I'm definitely going to pick some.
Shallot is something which is very unique of our cuisine, and I also personally like shallots. With my favorite thing to do with shallots is shallots, ghee and pepper, salt. I love them, and in our curries, if we are using shallots, it's going to be really yummy. And then the curry leaves. So these two are something very unique for us, and I love personally also.
Purple potatoes. I found purple potatoes. I've never seen them before. I know they exist. I'm thrilled to have found them, so I'm going to see what experiment I can do with these.
I love these chives, the garlic chives. We use them, it's really beautiful. We use them in momos. Just this and keema will give you the best momos you've ever eaten in your life. The flavor, the smell will drive you crazy. So garlic chives with your mince for momos next time.
So apart from the dry ingredients that I've picked up, mint leaves actually make a very good garnishing material for my cuisine that I cook. Most of the kebabs are garnished with mint leaves, and even the curry masoor ki dal that I'm making tomorrow. For that I use mint leaves and even this soya. These fresh things while cooking I add this, and on garnishing I add mint leaf that adds a lot of color to the brown kebabs that we put, and with smoked cheese and ginger juliennes and onion rings. So this makes a very important ingredient as garnishing for my cuisine. Awadhi, Royal Awadhi family cuisine. Thank you.
So the whole idea of me picking up snake god is it kind of leads me back to my childhood. It's more of a fun element. Reasons why, because it's called the snake god, and I used to kind of let kids get scared that I'm eating snake at the end of the day. But yeah, but then snake god is kind of the vegetable that we create is so very mild, so very it's fresh, and my grandmother used to make it with just a little bit of fresh coconut and onions and garlic, and it just tastes like heaven. So it's a meal at home, but still full.
So hi, I'm Rachna, and this is rohu fish, which is mostly because I'm from Bihar. So this is mostly cooked in sarso gravy, that is pila rai, and it has a very spicy and a tangy flavor. And lots of bones are there, but there's a technique of eating this. So is what I'm doing. Thank you.